Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. This holiday ham and potato casserole, inspired by Chef John from Food Wishes and Allrecipes. It's the ultimate layered comfort food for a crowd. Tender russet potatoes, thin sliced ham, white cheddar, and a quick homemade cream sauce that makes the texture extra rich. Perfect for holidays, family dinners, or using up the leftover ham. And the best part, it's built around just 1 pound of ham with a perfect ham to potato ratio. Okay, we're gonna chop up our onions, and we're gonna chop up our fresh thyme. We're gonna peel and thinly slice our russet potatoes. Then we're gonna grate up some sharp white cheddar cheese and thinly slice some ham. Then we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Okay, we're gonna heat the butter in a pot over medium heat. Add the onions and saute with a pinch of salt until translucent, about 5 minutes. We're gonna add in our flour and cook that, stirring just to take the starchy raw edge off, about 2 minutes. We're gonna pour in the heavy cream and whisk to combine. Then we're gonna whisk in the milk. Cook that, stirring over medium heat until it starts to simmer and thicken up. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and cayenne, and grate in some fresh nutmeg. We're gonna remove that from the heat and stir in the Worcestershire and the fresh thyme leaves, and reserve that until needed. Okay, we're gonna cover the bottom of a deep 10 by 15 inch casserole dish with about 25% of the reserved sauce. Then we're gonna add a layer of sliced potatoes, seasoning the tops with some of the remaining salt as desired. We're gonna ladle over 1/3 of the sauce and sprinkle over 1/3 of the grated cheddar cheese and layer on half of the sliced ham. We're gonna place another layer of the sliced potatoes on top of that and season with salt. Ladle over half the remaining sauce. Repeat the layering with cheddar cheese and ham. Then we're gonna place the last layer of potatoes on top. Ladle over the remaining sauce, spread that out with a spatula, and sprinkle over the remaining cheese. Then we're going to bake that in a preheated oven until brown, bubbling, and the potatoes are very tender, about 1.5 hours. We're going to let that cool for 15 to 20 minutes before serving it up. There, so cut it into squares and serve it up. So there you go, ham and potato casserole. This one is a holiday legend. Layers of potato, ham, white cheddar with a quick homemade cream sauce. If the top starts to brown too fast, cover it with foil and keep baking until the potatoes are very tender. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.